Welcome to the Baby Cubby. Today we're going to be talking about the Bugaboo Donkey 3 stroller. We really love Bugaboo. One of the selling points of this stroller is that it can grow with families as they expand. It can go from a mono to duo to a twin mode, which is like a side-by-side stroller. But even though it extends into a side-by-side stroller, it's still exceptionally narrow, so you can use it in a grocery store in smaller spaces and still have plenty of room for both your kids. Right out of the box, what you're gonna get in this stroller is obviously the frame itself. For the stroller you'll get this nice little carry-on bag that you can use when you're only using one seat in mono mode. You're also going to get a frame and two different pieces of fabric for the seat component. So you will get a piece of bassinet fabric that will stretch over that seat frame, as well as a kid seat that you can use to also stretch over that frame. Out of the box with no accessories added, this stroller can only be used with one kid at a time, either using the bassinet or the seat and not both at the same time. So that's something to keep in mind, is that if you want to use it as a double right out of the box, you will need to go ahead and purchase additional accessories. In terms of weight capacities, there's obviously a few moving pieces here. With the bassinet, it's going to be much like a typical bassinet of about 20 pounds or until they start to roll over or sit up. There's going to be two different baskets, one on the bottom, one right here, and they're both 20 pounds, so you have a lot of carrying capacity there. For the toddler seat, it's going to be 50 pounds or 40 inches, so that's pretty high for a toddler seat. It's also important to remember that a lot of these pieces are narrower, so they're going to be really great for like taller and skinnier children. To start off, we're going to go over some of the aesthetic features. Whether you attach a bassinet or a toddler seat, each of them have an extendable sun canopy with a peekaboo window. Bugaboo's new foam wheels are designed to increase comfort and decrease the overall weight of the stroller. The bassinet itself has some awesome features. It has a front pocket as well as a carry handle that rotates 360 degrees for better access to your baby, a side luggage basket that turns into a built-in bag. You'll also notice the extra spacious storage capacity as well. The Donkey 3 has amazing maneuverability because of its tight turn radius, and only one hand is needed to control the stroller. There are a lot of extra accessories available to purchase as well, like a bug shield, a tray, a parasol, etc. There's just a lot of things that you can buy to really personalize this stroller. Now we're going to go over the different modes of the Donkey 3. Right now you're seeing the stroller in mono mode with a seat and a side luggage basket. You're going to remove these and set them aside. From here, with only 3 clicks, you can convert it from a mono stroller into a duo or a twin stroller. There are 3 different latches on the frame that extend the frame's width once they're unlocked. Because this is a modular stroller, you can attach seats or bassinets and they can face front or back. To make it a duo stroller, if you're carrying 2 children of different ages, you would use maybe a bassinet and a seat, or vice versa. And then for a twin stroller, you're going to have 2 of the same seats, so a bassinet and a bassinet, or a toddler seat and a toddler seat, to use it in twin mode. This stroller is also car seat compatible, so you can purchase additional adapters to use with Maxi Cozy, Kiko, Peg Parago, and Vertex car seats. So to fold the stroller, you're first going to take off the seat and the basket by pushing down on the white tabs and pulling them off. Then to go ahead and push the handlebar all the way into the lowest level, you're going to flip out the tabs and push down on the handlebar all the way down. Then you can put the tabs back in place to make sure it's locked. Underneath the 2 white tabs that you just used to lower the handlebar, there's going to be 2 white triggers with black buttons in the middle. You're going to need to push on the black buttons and then pull up on the triggers to allow the frame to fold. If you want it to fold smaller, you can also remove the wheels for a more compact fold. Overall, this stroller has a lot of really unique features that I think I and a lot of parents alike have never seen before. The fact that it's able to change the frame from a duo to a side-by-side stroller is just very inventive and very unique, and I think it will really fit the needs of a lot of parents. Thanks for watching. If you liked this product or any of the other products you see in our videos, make sure to shop them at babycubby.com. We price match, and we also offer free shipping on any order over $25. If you want to see one of our favorite Nuna products, check out this video. If you like these how-tos, these tutorials, whatnot, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you want to see next, and we will see you next time.